Morning students, today I am going to start a new chapter from your Beehive textbook, chapter 6, My Childhood. Today I am just going to give you the introduction and a brief summary of this chapter. In the next video I will read page wise and explain you the lesson. So today first about the author. My Childhood is written by APJ Abdul Kalam. APJ Abdul Kalam was born in 1931 to a little educated boat owner in Rameshwaram, Tamil Nadu. His father was also known the Imam of the small mosque in Rameshwaram. He had an unparalleled career as a defense scientist, culminating in the highest civilian award of India, Bharat Ratna. As the chief of the country's defense research and development program, Kalam demonstrated a great potential for dynamics and innovations that existed in seemingly moribund research establishment. This is the story of Kalam's own rise from obscurity and his personal and professional struggles, as well as the story of Agni, Trishul and Nag missiles that have become household names in India and that have raised the nation to the level of missile power of international reckoning. Kalam died on 27th July 2015 while delivering a speech at IIM Silgon, Meghalaya. The theme of the lesson. This is an extract from the autobiography of Missile Man, the late President of India, the most revered APJ Abdul Kalam. He was tried to reveal the realities of the 19th century Indian society, the good, bad, ugly situations he had to face because he was a Muslim. Through his experiences, he is trying to make us aware of the need to be rational and tolerant individuals. Kalam examines his early life, effort, hardship, fortitude, luck and chance that transformed his life. Now a brief summary of this chapter. This is the journey of a person from a middle-class Muslim family in Rameshwaram to the president's house. The journey of APJ Abdul Kalam was not smooth. He had to struggle and face several challenges as he moved ahead in his life. In his childhood, he was greatly influenced by his parents, his teachers and his friends. His father, Jainuluddin, was not educated, but he was very generous and a kind person. He was not rich, but provided a secular childhood to Abdul and his brothers and sisters. Abdul inherited the qualities of honesty and self-discipline from his father and faith in goodness and deep kindness from his mother. Kalam earned his first wages by helping his cousin Samsuddin, who distributed newspaper in Rameshwaram. He had three close friends, Ramanath Shastri, Arvindam and Shiva Prakashan. They were all belonging to orthodox Hindu Brahmin families. In this story, he speaks about a very unfortunate incident that affected him and his friend very badly. A teacher showed discrimination in the classroom by separating him from his close friend just because he was a Muslim. The problem was resolved by Ramanathan's father, the chief priest of Rameshwaram temple. Abdul was also greatly influenced by the science teacher, Shiva Subramaniam Iyer. He learned the lesson of breaking social barriers from him. Iyer invited him to his home for a meal. His wife was an orthodox Brahmin who refused to serve food to a Muslim boy in her so-called ritually pure kitchen. Iyer served him with his own hands and sat down beside him to eat his meal. He convinced his wife to serve meal with her own hands and thus was successful in changing the conservative attitude of his wife. For higher education, he sought permission from his father to leave Rameshwaram and study at the district headquarters in Ramanathapuram. His father said, Abdul, I know you have to go away to grow. Does the seagull not fly across the sun alone and without a nest? To this hesitant mother, quoting Khalil Gibran, he said, "Your children are not your children." Khalil Gibran, he said, "Your children are not your children. They are the sons and daughters of life's loving for itself. They come through you, but not from you. You may give them your love, but not your thoughts, for they have their own thoughts." So, हमने अब यहाँ पे ऑथर के बारे में समझा, कौन है या क्या इस लेसन के ऑथर। ये ऑटोबायोग्राफी है APJ अब्दुल कलाम की, और यहाँ पर उनका लाइफ कितनी स्ट्रगल में गुजरा, कैसे उन्होंने इस स्ट्रगल से कैसे वो प्रेसिडेंट हाउस तक पहुँचे, पूरी लाइफ हिस्ट्री उनकी ब्रीफ में इस लेसन में समझाई गई है। और उनके साथ साथ क्या भेदभाव हुए, क्योंकि वो एक मुस्लिम चाइल्ड थे, और कैसे वो रिसॉल्व हुए उनके एक फ्रेंड के फादर की हेल्प से, स्कूल टीचर की हेल्प से, और ये सब हम इस चैप्टर में पढ़ेंगे। होप आपको ये समझ में जनरल आइडिया आपको इस चैप्टर के बारे में मिल गया होगा कि माय चाइल्ड अब्दुल कलाम की लाइफ हिस्ट्री है, हाउ ही स्ट्रगल्ड फ्रॉम अर्ली एज एंड हाउ ही प्रोसीड्स at the President House. What were the difficult time of his life and what he faced here. तो यहाँ पे मेन थीम भी इसमें यही है। कलाम जो थे हमारे प्रेसिडेंट, उन्होंने एक्सप्लेन किया कि एवरी लाइफ हैज़ एफर्ट्स, हार्डशिप्स, फॉरबिटेड लक एंड चांस, एंड हाउ दे ट्रांसफर्ड हिज लाइफ। यहाँ पे ये भी उन्होंने बताया कि वो अवेयरनेस क्रिएट करना चाहते हैं यहाँ पे इंडिया में, सोसाइटी में, अबाउट द रैशनल एंड टॉलरेंट इंडिविजुअल्स। तो हम ये चैप्टर में आगे पढ़ेंगे कैसे भेदभाव को दूर किया गया, कैसे वो मुस्लिम फैमिली में बिलोंग करते हुए भी कैसे रिलीजियस थे, कैसे हिंदू चीज़ों को भी वो पढ़ते थे। हमने एक लेसन में पहले भी देखा, उस्ताद बिस्मिल्लाह खान भी कोई डिस्क्रिमिनेशन नहीं, विदाउट एनी डिस्क्रिमिनेशन ऑफ रैशनैलिटी, ही ऑल्सो played the instrument शहनाई at the Hindu temples। यही मैसेज यहाँ पे कलाम भी इस लेसन के थ्रू हम सबसे डिलीवर करना चाहते हैं कि समाज भले ही भेदभाव कर, हमें उस भेदभाव को मिटाना है। हम आगे इस चैप्टर में इस एक्सप्लेनेशन को पढ़ेंगे नेक्स्ट वीडियो में। थैंक यू।